What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Wormhole, which is a new crypto, the token that we'll be analyzing briefly. I mean, right now we're looking at a 1 minute time frame, right? So this token launched at 2 p.m. this afternoon, at least in my time zone. So it's very new, but it's a very big project, very much anticipated, did a big airdrop. So just wanted to give you my thoughts, all right? After yesterday, Athena did quite well, and that's still very bullish right now. Wormhole is in a lot of ways actually quite similar, all right? So if you look at Wormhole, it's a massive project, all right? So what you can see is it's different, but Wormhole also has some major investments like from Coinbase Ventures, Jump Trading, Multicoin, and much more. Apart from that, it's a serious project, right? So obviously they have those big investments, but apart from that, it's also a project that's already used right now by other decentralized applications and ecosystems, etc. So that makes it interesting. That means a lot of big money is also looking at this. The way it's very different from Athena is the market cap, all right? The market cap right now of Wormhole is almost $3 billion. Which I would say is pretty ridiculous for a new crypto. But yesterday, Athena was at $800 million. Right now it's at 1.7. And I also thought that at the start, when it was at 800 million, I also thought it was quite overvalued. So I've learned from my mistakes, and I do think you need to keep a close eye on Wormhole. Now, in general, trading and buying new cryptos this early after launch is always risky, all right? So if you are going to do it, I wouldn't risk too much. And personally, I also don't think that there's enough confirmation yet. Apart from that, if you look at Athena, that launched at around 11, all right? So that's right now, Wormhole is live for about, well, what is it? When did it actually launch? At 12 on Bybit. So that's been live for about 5 hours. 5 hours after launch for Athena, which was, 11 plus 5 is 16. The volume was already over $1 billion, even though it had a lower market cap. So right now you can see that Wormhole, with the volume that it has right now at 800 million, there seems to be a little bit less trading and a little bit less momentum behind this. So keep that in mind. But in general, what I would say is that right now on the 1 minute time frame, we're quite bullish. The main level we need to break, as you can see, which we also hit here from the start, I would say is this level right here between 1.65 and 1.6. Purely technically, if we can actually if we can actually break above that, let's say on the 15 minute time frame, I would prefer that, or maybe the 5 minute time frame. If we can break above that level, I expect more bullish momentum. Think about the psychological levels, all right? So 1.75, 1.95, and $2. However, I do think it's you just have to wait for the breakout, and you can also see that there's a significant Fibonacci level right here at 1.62. So wait for the breakout, but the moment we get that breakout, like I said, I do think the market circumstances are good enough to actually make that breakout count for something, so that we can actually rally up higher to 1.75, $2. Who knows higher, but I cannot say that right now. And on the other hand, like I said, wait for that breakout, because if Wormhole right here drops down below its main support, which I would say is 1.5, so if it breaks down below that and closes below that actually, then that's a major bearish breakout, and then we will probably just consolidate and move sideways. So ultimately what we're looking for is a breakout if you want to buy Wormhole, I would say, unless you think long term it's amazing, which you could make that argument. So wait for the breakout. We could have that today. We could also consolidate for a couple of days, and then that we get a breakout later. But keep your eyes on that level, especially 1.62, 1.6. If we actually get a lasting breakout above that, that's a very good sign. Apart from that, if you go to my second channel, Cilinix Crypto Reviews, and you check out my previous videos, my recent videos, what you'll see is that I did, if it actually loads right here, which it doesn't, yeah, so it loads. If you actually check that out, what you'll see is that one of my last videos is a full review on Wormhole, all right? So if you want to know more about the project, etc., check that out. It would be, so here you can see that. Check that out if you want to. I'll leave a link to that down in the description as well, and in the pinned comment. For now though, thank you for watching. Be careful and take care. Bye.